Sound moves emotion. If you ever get, like, if you're feeling like things are stuck in your body, like, let it out. Everybody let it out. Beautiful. All right, we'll take a moment to take just a nice, calm, deep breath. Thank you. Take a minute to close your eyes if you wish. And in your mind, I invite you to think of a resource. A resource is a person, a place, a thing, or maybe a memory that inspires good feelings, good sensations. I usually always think of a beach when I'm resourcing because they're so calm and peaceful to me. I love the sound of the waves and the seagulls. But for you, it might be a stuffed animal, or maybe the feeling of snuggling with your puppy. Now hold the image of that thing in your mind and notice the sensations in your body that you feel when you think of it. Are the sensations in your chest? Are they in your head? Are they in your hands or your belly? And if you notice a negative sensation in any of those places, you can shift and try to find a positive one. Recognize that all sensations are okay. All feelings are okay. And our resource is just there to help guide us to our resilient zone. And if you would kindly open your eyes and bring your attention to our helpers today, we'll take 3 big breaths together, breathing in and out. In and out. In and out. Thank you, girls. You guys can set that down. Thank you. We're going to play a quick game of Jeopardy. Raise your hand if you're familiar with Jeopardy. Perfect. I have my friend Holden here. He's going to model how this is going to go. I have some words up here. Can you guys read them? Give me a thumb. Can you read them? We'll read them out loud for you in a moment, but let me model how Jeopardy goes. In Jeopardy, I'm going to say a definition. I'm going to say a definition, and then the person who would like to answer, and I'll call on you, is going to answer in a question. For example, if Holden were playing first, I would say the definition, the system in our body that processes the world through our senses.
What is the nervous system?
Ding, 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 he got it right, and he gets a coin. Holden's gonna use his big voice to read these words so that everybody knows the words we're playing with.
The words are grounding, resourcing, sensations, emotions, mindfulness. And can everybody say yippee if you heard me? Yippee! Yeah!
You guys ready to play?
Yeah!
Will you cross off the ones that we guess?
Yeah.
All right, first definition. We just did it. It's when we think of something in our mind to help inspire positive emotions in our body. Blue shirt.
Grounding.
Almost. Black shirt. Resourcing. Gorgeous. Oh yeah, say what is resourcing? Next one. The reason we are here, the thing we are here to learn about, the thing we are here to learn how to do, how to practice, not just at camp, but in life. I picked a girl last time, so a boy with the hat on.
Mindfulness?
Yeah, that's right, mindfulness. Whoops, sorry, past that. Next word. In order to use our mindfulness, We first have to do this so that we know it's time to be mindful. This is a tricky one.
What is grounding?
Not quite. Purple shirt? Nope. We use ground, the guess was grounding, and that is something you do, but before we can use a tool, before we can ground, before we do this, we need to use this, the word that I'm thinking of, to know it's time to do grounding, to know it's time to do resourcing. Yes?
What is awareness?
What is awareness? This one has to do with feelings that are located in our body. Feelings located in our body, yes.
Emotions?
Close. Red shirt?
What are sensations?
That's true, sensations. Sensations are in our body. Next one. When we are being mindful, and we are aware it's time to be mindful, we are bringing this, whether it be to our breath or our body or the ground. What are we bringing to those things? Yes? Attention. All right, this one is often called feelings. Takayo.
Emotions.
Emotions. One is bringing our attention to how we are connected to the earth. Yellow.
What is grounding?
What is grounding? Nice work, guys. I just wanted to review those words to make sure we're all building our common language together. Looks like we're doing amazing. Thank you for your participation in that. But I wanted to take a little bit of time today. Today's theme is self-awareness, strengthening attention, and developing focus, right? So we, in order to use our mindfulness, we become aware that it's time to be mindful, and then we have to bring our attention to something. Who was feeling some feelings last night when the storm was going off? Yeah. Who felt that when it was really, really stormy, your mind was kind of like this snow globe with a bunch of snow swirling around inside? Maybe you were nervous, maybe you were confused because the plans kept changing. Scared because sometimes lightning and thunder can be a little scary. And then all of a sudden, crash, the lightning goes and you get a little scared again. And then all those nerves and all those feelings and emotions and sensations are swirling around in your mind. Is that true for you? Yeah. Is that our cue now to maybe use our mindfulness a little bit? Yeah. Thumbs up. Who used a little mindfulness last night? Anyone want to share what you did? Or counselors, maybe what you did to help with your campers? You can share.
I did deep breathing.
You did some deep breathing? Yeah. Aiden?
Affirmations that they were safe.
Affirmations, yes. That you are safe because you are, right? I mean, what are the chances that something is really going to happen? Very little. But I'll pause for a second. I'll ask again in a minute. Are often like a monkey. You can imagine a monkey swinging from tree to tree to tree, and our mind can grasp on to thoughts and emotions and swing from thought to emotion, of, oh, I'm scared, I'm not safe, I want to go home, I miss my mom, I want my cat, I want my dog. Then we use our mindfulness. What other mindfulness did we use last night? I saw some hands over here. Bo, was your hand?
Yes.
What'd you use?
We played some games to distract.
Games to distract. I love it. Bo, did you ever feel unsafe last night?
A little bit, yeah.
In the rain?
Yeah.
Outside? Justin?
I got everyone into the same room.
You brought everyone. You were a helper because you were pretty brave. You got everyone into the same room, so you were together. I love that. Friend in the back? You read a book? Yeah.
I'm just focusing on the rain.
Focusing on the rain. Who did that? I did that. I love that part. Aria?
I took deep breaths
You took deep breaths. Yeah, thank you for sharing. So our mind can be like a monkey where we're swinging from tree to tree, or it can be like this snow globe where the thoughts and emotions are swirling around. But if you take a minute to notice the snow globe, just take your eye on it. And I know it's hard to see from where you are. I'm not even doing a single thing. And what do we notice with the snow and the glitter that's in there? Say it a little louder, go ahead.
It's kind of settling down.
It's settling down. Sometimes we don't need to do a single thing and things settle down. But as we've learned and we discussed that some of us used our tools last night to help that monkey mind or the snow settle down. I'm so proud of you guys. My goal for you today is to notice how your mind might be like this snow globe or a monkey going from limb to limb with thought and emotion, and how you might use your awareness to notice it and your mindfulness to help settle it. Please come and tell me. I always love hearing you. I've got coins in my pocket all the time because I want to hear how you're doing your mindfulness. At this very moment, I invite the caribou, fireflies, moose tracks, and pixies are dismissed. Everyone else, I have a little guest speaker for you today.